remove that. Then it tells you to spread the blind inserts. Yeah, okay. I don't know how much spreading I'm doing, but that's what the picture's showing.
Just a little bit. You're going to shove them in a slot. This is what makes this so easy. Nobody else has these.
I'm sorry?
Nobody else has those because they have a patent in them.
These are proprietary. Do not drop the blind inserts. Blind inserts are placed in the small slots above the wiring diagram. Locate the 4 plastic inserts and place 1 insert in each of the rightmost 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be sure to push the insert all the way in so the tabs on the top and bottom contact the sheet metal. Okay.
What?
Well, okay. Just takes a little smushing. Yeah, there's a little lip thing, so you got to make sure that it's past that. I don't want it to come falling out.
Screw's going to spread it out anyway.
Yeah. Like a drywall or a hollow wall fastener. Okay. 4 placed. Okay. Place 2 more blind inserts into the vent grill in the area located with the dashed arrows. Note, the blind inserts are to be placed in the top slot. The one to the right is slid against the right edge of the slot. The insert on the left goes a 1/2 inch from the left. That makes this look is that goes there. ½ inch. So half of my thumb. That's ½ inch from the left edge of the slot. Once the blind inserts are in place, place the tip of 1 number 8 panhead screws in the notch of the insert. Make sure the tip of the screw is between the top and the bottom of the insert. Turn the screw 3 or 4 times with a screwdriver to fully insert, creating an opening in the insert. Back the screw out all the way and remove this.
Stop. We'll get the...
Instruction says just do it 4 to 5 turns. So.
Right, that's what I say. You're just punching a hole in it.
Blind inserts set in place, you're ready to attach the backsplash. Have the table in the open position and cutting board removed. Position the table so one of the top center holes line up with the top center insert and install one of the number 8 screws in the opening of the insert just created. Note, this is where an assistant holds up the backsplash table in place while you insert the screw. Why do I have one of these left over?
I'm sure they give you extra ones. I don't know. Look at the picture and make sure you got it all in. Look at the back of the
Yeah, it's not even the right color. It says yellow plastic.
table. Look at the table. Open it up like you're supposed to. How many holes do you see?
4,
5,
5, 6.
6. Okay. You got 6 in there.
Okay.
They just gave you an extra one. That's the only place that washers are gonna go. Now I would make sure that you got that bottom left one in the right place.
I can see it.
Okay, as long as you can get it started in there. Get one started in there. Put the washers on the screws. That shouldn't strip them because I got that set on the lowest thing so that I don't strip out my plastic screws and plastic in them.
Okay.
And if you don't like it when you get to the end, do it with your, get the screwdriver for the last couple turns. That way you won't strip them out. That's what happens when you buy good American-made stuff.
What?
15 minutes, it's in.
Yep.
No drilling holes, no putting in
Yeah, and it seems awful
stainless
sturdy.
steel
Yep.
and real wood, maple, whatever it is.
Bamboo.
Oh, no. Huh?
Bamboo.
Yeah, bamboo. That should be it. I'm sure you got to oil the bamboo.
Always keep your tailgater clean, disinfect the area, remove food residue, cutting board is. Bamboo needs to be cleaned and disinfected to avoid spreading. Replacement cutting boards are available. That's good. Okay, now
Yeah, I wonder what keeps that from moving.
that's
Oh, when it's closed, it won't move.
okay.
Get it over where it belongs, and it won't move. You want it to move when it's down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Okie dokie.
And then to open it, you just hold your pins. Ta-da! Yeah, I guess you're not gonna stick it there.
No, you just pull it out and hang it off the side.
Ah, cut it off the side. I gotcha.
Like that.
Yeah. Chop, chop, chop.
Yeah.
Cool. Very awesome. Made in the USA.
Yeah.
Handmade.